Hello everyone, and today we are talk about the five stages of to creating a new AI model. Just we write down five stages, um, create a new AI model. Just five stages we create a new AI model. First, I put it down. Just this is wait. I choose another color. That's AI model, and that we have built that. Okay. Foundation model. Foundation. Foundation model. Uh, just understand that first. This is a AI model. Uh, we are hopefully we understand that everyone at the time we are using like chat gpt bard and lot of ai models just uh, it text like ai models those who have a reasonings better this style like ai models we based on just like trainings data based on experiences thinking logical better understanding and then this is a foundations model and foundations models like image generations audio generations for example image generations mid journey this audio generations 11 labs there are a lot of is the foundations models then another stage we are understand that the how can we build in a five stages in the our models we are building. Okay, just we check how can we build our on AI models in a five stage. Wait, just okay. Just we put it right on. This is a pre um wait sorry for guys there's something wrong. Prepared the data in this stages. Uh, we we collect the some resources which relevant resources we collect the data and prepared uh, and process those data we just like we go to governance just like we example take the healthcare industries cancer data we go to government sites to those who collect the relevant data. Yeah, WHO we have to collect the relevant information data in the cancers um, about then you fitting filterings the data. For examples, every data have there some noises and some thing personal informations those you have to filtering in the data then you duplicate the data which data are you duplicating those you have a required for trainings in the your own ai models to creating. Mm, those relevant data only you have to duplicate uh, or further those data will have to clean out cleanings. You have to, if you know about the cleaning process, you have to SQL, yeah, maybe mm, other languages you have to use, and then you clean the your data. Then we go to further process in the second stage, uh, train. We train the on model. Just we select, first of all, select model, which model based we are trained. For example, we are building a on AI models in a text based. uh, for example, there are several type of the AI models: text based, audio generation, image generations, video generations. But we are selected text based, text generations image model. Then we go to bard, perplexity, chat gpt. Just we go and we use to API key, and then we train our model. Then we go to tokenization. What do you mean understand in the tokenizations? Is just to be little bit to under example based we have to share tokenizations. Tokenizations. Uh, tokenizations in a examples I share. Tokenization, just I say in a sentence form: good morning. Good morning. uh, Good morning something, some person randomly I select the name. Good morning Rahul. Just we randomly I selected the name. Anything you have a in a sentence form, you have to select it, just like good morning Rahul, good morning Neelam. Neelam, how are you? This is the, like a sentence. Then then you break out this sentence into some words, just like good, then morning, and then same things route. There are just there are three words. In this sentence we break in a three words. This is the tokenization. Whole the sentences we break into the words. How many are in this sentence? How many there are current? How many tokens in this sentence? We have a three tokens. Morning is one token, good is one token, morning is one token, and Rahul is one token. There are three tokens we in this sentence we are okay. This is a tokenizations. And then wait, just we change the color and then put it. We then train our model. We set the how many tokens are there in our models we are trained, just like 2000 tokens, 2000 token. For example, I to pick it out 10,000 token, means we are trained our model to instructions only if you put it down into uh, 10,000 words, not exceeds words. Then they have to consider, only they have to consider based under the 10,000 word. uh, in the just use say that you type, go to chat gpt, say can you help me to learning AI models, how can we self to learn you this way, something you ask, there is some words. you have to, there is a model into break out into the some words, this tokenizations, these tokens based on they predicts next word, what are you asking, and this is a training. Okay. Okay, I came from further steps, third step, then you have more understand what I'm saying. Then this is a um, wait, validate. We are validate the our model. Model card based on select the model we are using some those API model we have to choose like text model, then we have to tokenization set, for example 5,000 tokenization we set, then we have to based on trained our models to some mm, uh, next what we predicted, we then based on we are trained our model, then we have to validate, means to we have to run the code and we check the accuracy of model of how many accuracy in that based on training model, then we fine tune our model, tune, fine fine tune is just about you have to pick the chat gpt chat, you just understand it, chat gpt have the company, they have to millions or billions of the dollars, they have already set up the servers, there's this use sam altman, and they have a lot of engineers to train these models. uh, in this process of models training, they have to mm, next word they predict AI. They have to train the AI this text model. Uh, we not to create a scratches to train the scratch the models, our models. Just we go to the fine tune means to we have to use those models though have already to some persons, some companies those have a train, they have to the publicly available the models we go to use, just like Huggy Face we are using the pipe use, they have already pre-trained models, they have open source lot of pre-trained models is available, we go and choose and pick out the some models, OpenAI models, just we pick API and then we used on our model, not we are needs to scratch to train something, this is a cat, this is a dog, not, they have already lot of informations to internet, they have available to, they have to train. We not needs to lot of time to spend to train our model, they are already trained, that is a benefit for us, pre-trained model, then deploying uh, public cloud. This model we have to train, then we have to deploy our applications, just we building some applications, chatbots, we have sites to building something, a lot of things, which use cases you are specialized in this model you are building, then you just one thing I already first sessions here, this is a model and this is a foundation model, foundation models we specialized wait, specialized with trained, for example this is a AI model, then this is a AI specialized foundation model, foundation model is a subset of AI model, a subset of foundation model. Foundation model is a specialized model. We to train for only some specific purpose. For example, we are training our model for mental health condition, just like depression, anxiety for chatbots. We are building a chatbot. So we this model we are using uh, primary model. Those is a AI model, just like ChatGPT, whatever things. Then we go to our create a specialized model. This is a for name is a foundation model. Foundation model to create a for healthcare, mental health region for chatbots. We creating for those who instructions to provide the some suggestions. What I doing based on symptoms. We create that is a foundations models. Then we go from deploying section. We build this pre-process, prepare the data. Those data we will collect and train our model, validate, we check the accuracy, training models, tune the models. Pre-trained data we have to use some. Then we publicly deploy some applications, website, whatever you use cases for. You have to develop this model, you deploy, then publicly available. Then publicly people want to use this model. Then we have all based on experiences. This model we have to self train, just like a small baby childs. Those who have to the world, they have to they birth in a this earth. Yeah, this may be universe. They have birth. Mm, Before we they don't know about in this world. No, no. But after the ages and some days, they have to based on experiences they have seen, and they have listened that everything's about around the um, on around in the world. They seen based on this learn. For example, they have to child the birth. They don't know to how to talk to the people, and who is their mothers, and their what is your names, whatever things. Uh, they don't know, and they can't even properly talk to with you. But the after the some ages, they have to know how can we they talk. Just you see some people's, some childs are birth in Hindu, some in Punjabis धर्म में होते हैं. तो पर you understand things, they how can we where, and they learn for on native languages based on their experiences. Those who listen, those who see people's what they talk and whatever things on their own surroundings. That is AI models we have to train things. Okay, not to waste more time. uh, then we further more things. Yeah, I will provide you some resources. Just IBM best resources. Just you put it. Just Washington Washington dot data. You have to available lot of pre-trained datas. You go to checkouts. This is washingtonx.gov. Already available the data. Pre-trained washington.ai. This is available. Pre-trained specialized model data is available. Red Hat open shifted नाम से Red Hat open shifted, and so they have available. Not AI models is building not is the big and huge things. Just to be clear to now basic things to understand how they, what is the stages we are to building the AI model, and how can we build in this AI model, and basic things you know. Foundations is best every sector you have did. This is our 5 stages of training our creating on AI specialized models, just scratch. Thank you for guys and watching. How can we building say 5 stages, just 5 stages to creating our own new AI models. Thank you, and we just meet you next times and learn more about